Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with another Quickie Stickii unboxing. This time I got both of my subscriptions, so I'm extra excited for my cat to walk on my lighting. That's really cool. But if you don't know already, Stickii Club is a monthly subscription service. It's like $11, $14 a month. I don't know. I don't look at my bank account like a responsible adult most of the time. But I will leave the link down below so you guys can check it out if you want to get more information on it. They have 3 different choices you can pick from, and I picked the pop pack and the vintage pack. So let's get into it because I'm excited to open this. Ah, no. I save these envelopes for my books, so it makes me very sad when someone is very efficient with the sealing. Although, like, I get it. Like, if that's your job, I would do it well, too. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so the theme for this month's pop pack, this is the pop pack, is Mad World. So I'm guessing we're getting a little Alice-y up here, because there's teacups and stuff on there, so like that seems evident. And then our little special bonus thing is this really thick vinyl sticker. Like, it's solid, but it's got this really great... Why are we so far away, Priscilla? You have control here. There we go. It's got this really great, like, foiling to it, and I think it's translucent. So I think the backing is clear, which is also really cool. But it's like, that's pretty sturdy. And then we got, I think it's another, yeah, it's another sticker release paper, which is not, like, I'm not mad at it. I just, like, I have, like, 5 now, and I don't know how many of these I need. I don't need that many, that's for sure. But I really like the cover, so I might just gut this and then use the little cover as a little notebook. It's a little, like, vellum cover with these mushrooms on a chessboard, and it's really cute. Like, really, really cute. But yeah, I don't need this sticker paper album. I actually liked it better when they were doing, like, notepads and little mini journals. Or little mini notebooks, I guess. But they're trying to, like, vary it up. So I guess they're just in sticker album phase right now. But tis what it is. I'm not mad at it. I'll use it. And this one's going to be hard to show. So this one is by... I can't read it. Tiny Galaxy Kid. It's like anime-esque, action-y, fairy, wonderland-y. Yeah, it's like anime meets Wonderland meets, like, Adventure Time a little bit. Because there's the Cheshire Cat. And it's on this really cool, like, sparkly, glittery, holographic paper, but that makes it very hard to show. So there's the Hatter. There's Tweedledee and Tweedledum. There's the Red Queen and the White Rabbit. So really cute. There's the caterpillar. Love her. Hard to show on camera. But they're really cute. And then we have... Ooh, we have both from the same artist. This is by Alice Zeal. I don't know how you say that. But you guys see it. You can check it out if you want to see more for art. And this is some really cool, like, a little bit spooky Alice take. Kind of like the game a little bit. And I really love it. These are probably going to be my favorites from this set. Who knows, though, because I'm a big Alice shill. So, like, everything might be my favorite. But we also got these little journaling spot stickers, and I love those. And then we got some of these, like, it's not like glitter, but it's like sparkly paper, like a pearlescent paper kind of, and they're roses, and they go from white to red, and they are very nice, and I like that. Those are really cool. Ew, okay, we did get something different this time. We got a little to-do paper set. It looks like there's like a couple of sheets in here of this really cute to-do paper. So I do like this a lot. And I love these little ghosties. That's really cool. And that's from Tex Art. And then we also got the sticker sheet to go with it. And these ones have like a silver sort of like semi-holographic foil. And this is by Tex Doodles, so Tex Art on Instagram. And look at the little like ghosty mushroom. Super cute. I really love this. These ones are really nice. This might go into like my hoard pile. And then we got some of that mushroom chest art from the little sticker release book. And it looks like the backings on these are also translucent, so those will be clear on whenever you put them down. So that's nice. And then the last sheet in this set is by Narragansett Art. Gonna go with that. First and best answer. And it's these little mushroom cats. And it's like on a sparkly paper too. There's a lot of sparkles in this one, which I'm not mad at. This one's cool. These are really cute. I really like these. So that was a really cute little set. Definitely giving Alice vibes. I do like our little wild card cat entry. And the fact that we got some like of those to-do lists. Those are really neat. Those are going to come in handy. This book though. This book makes me like a little bit irritated. If I get to the vintage pack and it's also got a sticker release book, I'm not going to do anything because it's a random pick of the draw, but like, you know, I'm going to have to start refurnishing all these little sticker release pads. Because I just don't unstick my stickers and stick them other places that often. Although it's really cool if that's what you wanted to like do, if you were actively using all your stickers and you wanted them like on hand. And thankfully, it doesn't look like we got another sticker book. So the theme for the vintage pack this month was Apothecary. So yeah, of course I had to get that. And then Smokey has to come check it out. Hi, buddy. Did you want to see it? Yeah. So we just got stickers this time, bud. Stickers and a stamp. It's a really cute little stamp. And it's like a little flower bouquet. Ow. How did I hurt myself and he wasn't even coming near me? So let's see. What did we get this time? We got this little, it's also in plastic. This little packet of like index cards, index recipe style cards. And it says Amber Apple Apothecary. Ooh, these are cute. Look at the little badger. Okay. I was like, I don't know what I'm going to do with a bunch of things that say Amber Apple Apothecary. But, yeah, I'll find a use for these for sure. These are really nice. And they're a good, like, weight cardstock. Yeah, okay, this, like, wins the day. So we got 4 little cards. I'm not going to slide that back into this little unnecessary piece of plastic. Think about ways to use that piece of plastic too. And then here's what we got. So we got a page of mortar and pestles, which is really neat. And that's just like a Stickii Club design. And then they also came through with that like canvas texture paper for some like medicine cabinet apothecary style stuff. So those are neat. I really like those. Oh, and we got the Amber Apple Apothecary official sticker. This is by Cloveroon. So you can see that a little bit better. It's got some gold like detailing to it, which is really nice. And the hanging herbs and the little apothecary cabinet. That is so cute. I really like this. And the badger. It's like the badger and like the assistant to the witch. Really cute. Materia Medica. So those are really nice. And I really like these little potion bottles with the herbs inside. Those are really pretty. It's like a PVC type sticker, so totally translucent. Those are going to be really cool to use. And then this one is by Yakovleva Arts. And there's some more like of these classically designed vintage style apothecary. These are really pretty. The little mandrake root. Look at that little guy. Aww. And then we got a sheet of like shimmer paper. This is going to be impossible to show because my background is black. So it's like shimmery paper with these really neat like bottle designs. Like check out that eye and the moons. Those are really cool. Little perfume bottle, little potion-y bottles. So fairy bottle's pretty. And the sun, and that's where the stamp came from. And these are done by Mia Carnival. And that's her socials. And these are really pretty. And I like this little shimmery paper. I'm really interested to like stick one of these down on a piece of paper and see what it looks like. I'll do that when I'm ready to use them and won't instantly regret it. And then the last thing we got are, it's like a apothecary desk with this big frame. And it's like a big coin envelope style envelope. It's an envelope style envelope. Oh yeah, that's a really nice, like sturdy envelope. And that's really neat. So I really like this one. This one came with a good, pretty decent variety of items, which I really like because, like I said, or said previously in the way long ago, I don't remember if it was the last video or not, they changed their pricing, so they went up a couple dollars to, like, account for inflation and all those things, but then said that with the increase in price, they were going to start doing different, like, bonus items in the sticker packs, and so, like, this would be, like, something different. I've never seen that on one of the sticker packs, and the little index card, recipe card styles would be something new. So I really like that. I do like seeing new items make their way in. I really love these packs. These both were really great, so I'm glad I got them both. So let me know, you guys, what you thought of this month's Sticky Club stuff in the comments below. What was your favorite sheets? Do you get this subscription? Like, are you interested? Let me know, because I would like to know if you guys are interested in seeing more of these, or if I should just start opening them myself and not sharing them. I don't know how much people like these that much. But I really love them, so I'm going to keep getting them, of course. But if you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate your face, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, happy crafting. Bye!